Hello there. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell button so you won't miss any new videos from me. Today, I'm gonna show you how to write or create a resume using Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word will surely help you in terms of creating resume. Now, first things first, we need to open our Microsoft Word. Okay, on this part, Microsoft Word will suggest sample templates that you can use. So, for us to create or make a resume, you can select more templates right here. So, on this part, you may select any type of templates. But still, since we are creating resume, so you need to select resumes and cover letters. After that one, here, Microsoft Word will suggest sample templates for resumes or cover letters. It depends on your preferences. So let's try to select one right here. I think this is a good one. Now let's try to create. So, you need to download that template in order for you to use that one. And here, this is an example of resume or cover letter. So you just need to fill up the information right here. So first name, your surname, etc. And yes, that's how you create or write resume using Microsoft Word. I hope this video helped you. See you on my next video. Bye for now.